They'll tell you that 2026 Mazda CX-5 is stylish. They'll tell you it's smooth, safe, and smart. But what they won't tell you is the truth that actually decides whether this SUV will make you proud every time you drive it, or quietly drain your excitement after a few months. Because here's the thing, the CX-5 isn't just another compact SUV. It's a psychological trap wrapped in luxury. Mazda has mastered the art of emotional engineering. The way the steering feels, the way the cabin closes around you, even the way the headlights stare at the road. Everything is designed to make you feel something before you even think logically. And that's where most buyers get hooked. They fall for how the CX-5 makes them feel, not what it truly offers for the long run. So before you sign those papers and smile at that shiny paint job, stop. Because once you hear what I'm about to reveal, you'll realize the new CX-5 isn't what it seems. It's either a hidden gem that gives you more than the Germans ever could, or a subtle illusion that could make you regret your purchase faster than you expect. 1. The driving feel. Mazda knows exactly how to play with your senses. The CX-5 doesn't just drive, it connects. Every turn feels sharper, every movement deliberate. It's not the fastest SUV out there, but it feels alive in your hands. That sensation tricks your brain into believing you're driving something far sportier than it is. Mazda designed this experience to hook your emotions, so you stop thinking logically and start feeling loyal. 2. The design psychology. The CX-5's design isn't just beauty, it's manipulation in metal form. Those flowing lines and sculpted panels make your brain associated with luxury, even though it's not priced like one. Mazda uses visual psychology to make you believe you're upgrading your life, not just your car. Every angle whispers status, confidence, and calm, and before you know it, you're not buying a vehicle, you're buying an identity. 3. The cabin experience. Step inside the CX-5 and the world outside vanishes. Everything feels crafted for peace, soft touch materials, perfect symmetry, and that quiet, luxurious aura. But this calmness is a distraction. Mazda's minimalist design hides its missing tech features behind elegance. You'll think less is more, but in truth, it's just less. Yet it doesn't matter, because the comfort manipulates you into believing you've entered a higher class of living. 4. The performance reality. Mazda engineers performance that feels powerful, even when the numbers say otherwise. The throttle response, the steering tightness, it's all tuned to feed your ego. You're not driving faster, you're driving happier. That's Mazda's magic. Emotional simulation. It makes your body react as if you're driving something far stronger, tricking your brain into pure satisfaction. It's not speed, it's psychology dressed as horsepower. 5. The long-term reality. Here's where the charm wears thin. After a few years, that elegant beauty starts demanding attention. Premium parts, subtle wear, and slightly higher maintenance costs. The CX-5 ages gracefully, but not cheaply. It's reliable, yes, but it quietly reminds you that premium feel comes with premium upkeep. Mazda sells you emotion up front, and then makes you earn it over time. It's beautiful, but beauty always asks for something in return. 6. The truth behind the reputation. Mazda isn't selling machines, it's selling emotion. The CX-5 makes you feel important, elegant, and in control. It's not the most advanced SUV, but it convinces you that logic doesn't matter. You'll fall in love every morning you drive it, because Mazda understands one truth most brands forget. People don't buy cars with reason. They buy them with emotion, and that's exactly where the CX-5 wins and traps you. So now you know the truth. The 2026 Mazda CX-5 isn't just another SUV. It's an emotional illusion, a masterpiece of psychology wrapped in leather and steel. Some people will call it overrated. Others will swear it's the best SUV ever built for the soul. But here's the real question. Are you the kind of driver who buys logic or the kind who buys feeling? Because the CX-5 tests exactly that part of you. I want to know your side. Would you rather have a car that makes sense on paper or one that makes you fall in love every single morning you drive it? Drop your thoughts below, because this debate never ends. And trust me, your answer says more about you than about Mazda.